The night sky sparkled with stars that seemed unusually vivid. Humanity had advanced beyond the constraints of Earth, stepping boldly into the vast ocean of space. Among the explorers was Captain Lena Torres, a trailblazing astronaut chosen for her unparalleled bravery and intellect. She piloted the Odyssey, humanity's most advanced spacecraft, designed to traverse the great unknown. Tonight, however, the stars held secrets that no human could have anticipated. Lena had embarked on a mission to chart the uncharted, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. The Odyssey had been equipped with revolutionary propulsion technology that allowed it to journey beyond the solar system at unprecedented speeds. On board, Lena carried not just scientific instruments, but also the collective hopes of a species eager to find its place in the cosmos. On the seventh day of her voyage beyond Alpha Centauri, something extraordinary happened. While monitoring the ship's systems, an alarm blared, jolting her from her reverie. The radar, which had been designed to detect both natural and artificial phenomena, was picking up an anomaly. A massive object was rapidly approaching, but its trajectory defied the laws of physics. It was as if the object existed beyond conventional space-time. Before Lena could react, a blinding light engulfed the Odyssey. Her instruments short-circuited, and for a moment, silence filled the cabin. Then, she felt a sensation unlike any she had experienced, a gravitational pull so intense it seemed to bend her very perception of reality. The Odyssey vanished from its current position, reappearing in an unfamiliar region of the galaxy. As her vision adjusted, Lena saw an enormous structure suspended in space. It was not a planet or a star, but a gargantuan construct, seemingly organic and mechanical at once. The structure emitted a pulsating glow, its surface shifting as if alive. Before Lena could process the sight, her ship was drawn toward it, gently but irresistibly. The Odyssey docked in a chamber that resembled a cathedral of light. Lena's hands trembled as she donned her suit and prepared to step outside. Her heart raced, but she steadied herself with the knowledge that she represented humanity's courage and curiosity. She opened the airlock, and a wave of warmth greeted her, a stark contrast to the cold vacuum of space. What she saw defied description. Beings of light and energy surrounded her. They had no definitive form, constantly shifting like shimmering flames. Despite their alien nature, Lena felt no hostility emanating from them. Instead, an overwhelming sense of intellect and wisdom filled the space. One of the beings approached, its luminescence intensifying. Lena realized it was communicating not through sound but directly to her mind. Human, the being conveyed, its thoughts resonating like a harmonious chord. You have ventured far beyond your understanding. Lena struggled to find words, her voice trembling. Who are you? Why have you brought me here? We are the Sentinels, the being replied. Guardians of the boundaries that sustain the balance of existence. You have crossed a threshold that must not be breached. Lena's scientific mind raced to process the information. Why? What danger lies beyond this threshold? The Sentinels shared a vision, flooding her consciousness with images and emotions. Lena saw galaxies collapsing, stars imploding, and dimensions converging in chaos. The devastation was unlike anything imaginable, a cascade of destruction triggered by unchecked ambition. Your species possesses remarkable potential, the Sentinel explained. Yet, with potential comes responsibility. Beyond this point lies knowledge and power your kind is not ready to wield. Lena's heart sank. Are you saying humanity must stop exploring? No, the Sentinel said, its tone tinged with compassion. Growth is essential, but wisdom must guide growth. For now, You must retreat and reflect. Lena's pride and curiosity warred with the warning. If we cannot go beyond, how will we ever learn? Learning does not always require crossing boundaries, the Sentinel responded. Sometimes, the greatest wisdom comes from understanding the limits of one's reach. The beings escorted Lena back to her ship, their light dimming as if in sadness. Before she could protest further, the Odyssey was enveloped in the same blinding light. When the brilliance faded, she found herself near Earth's orbit, her ship intact, but her mind reeling. Upon her return, Lena became a reluctant prophet. The scientific community hailed her journey as a triumph, but her warnings fell on deaf ears. She described the Sentinels and their caution, but many dismissed her words as the hallucinations of a lone explorer. As years passed, humanity continued its pursuit of the stars, but Lena's encounter lingered in her mind. The vision of galaxies collapsing haunted her dreams, a chilling reminder of the cost of recklessness. She dedicated her life to promoting a balanced approach to exploration, advocating for wisdom to guide ambition. One day, a young scientist approached her, inspired by her story. Captain Torres, what if the Sentinel's warning is a test? What if they're waiting for us to prove our readiness? Lena considered the question, a spark of hope igniting within her. Perhaps the journey was not about conquering the unknown, but about earning the right to do so. She resolved to continue her advocacy, believing that humanity could rise to the challenge. The stars remained a beacon of mystery, their light a constant reminder of humanity's place in the universe. The Sentinel's warning echoed across generations, shaping the path of exploration. And while the boundaries remained, they were not seen as barriers but as guides, urging humanity to grow not just in knowledge but in wisdom.